Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add YouTube shorts to your gallery. Sometimes you want to save your own YouTube shorts or download someone else's to your gallery, and here's how to do it easily and safely. The first step, for your own YouTube shorts, you just have to open the YouTube app and then go to your YouTube studio. After that, select the short you want to save and tap download, and it will be saved to your device. For downloading any YouTube shorts, open YouTube and find the shorts you want to save by clicking on the shorts section right here and search for the search for the YouTube shorts you want to download, and then click on the share button right here and then copy the link. After that, use a video downloader like Save From or YT5S or SS YouTube to pass the link and download the video. And once downloaded, it will be available in your phone's gallery. Ensure high quality downloads. If you want the best quality, make sure to choose HD, that's 1080 pixels. Download from the downloader option and check your gallery or downloads folder after saving. If you don't want to use third-party tools, screen recording is another option. Always respect copyrights and avoid downloading other creators' shorts without permission. You can also organize your shorts in a specific album in your gallery for easy access. And in the YouTube app also, you can also click on a video, see here, and click on the download button if you want to download this into the app. Now this option can also is temporarily, and the video gets deleted after you don't log in using your internet connection. And that's it for today's tutorial. That's how you add YouTube shorts to your gallery. If you like this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.